enrolling on this course, and I must assure you that it's something you're gonna benefit from. So without waste of time, we will gonna proceed immediately. But before that, let me just recite what SEO is all about. Well, all the major SEO search engines, they pay a lot of attention to your SEO titles and description for your content, okay? It is nothing but optimizing your site in such a way search engines such as Google or Bing will rank your content for specific search terms. I will show you what that means as we proceed. There are so many things that determine how your rankings are rated or determined. So Google and Bing are two major companies that guide these secrets. So we are going to start installing all these plugins. So plugins gives functionality of your website. So we're going to install all-in-one SEO pack. This is the SEO plugin we'll be working on. We will install WordPress sitemap page, SML sitemap. When you install this, automatically this is installed, okay? So we're gonna install WP Smosh. So you may ask yourself, what are all these things, okay? What is this WP site page? It adds a site map on any page or blog post using a simple shortcode, okay? I will show you what it means. So it's really a list of pages on a website that can be accessed by users, okay? It is a way of telling search engines that such pages exist on your website, especially for indexing purposes and crawling purposes as well. It does not really boost your search rankings, but rather allows search engines to crawl on your website, especially when search engines did not see the page you have created. But with SM sitemap or this, it enable you to, it will tell search engines that such page exists. So that's why it's important you put your sitemap page. This and this, you don't be confused. This gives you the shortcode that makes this simple for you. So when you get that shortcode, you can put it on your page or on any post page of your website. So this SM sitemap, that's what it does, okay? But already with all-in-one SEO, you have got your SM sitemap. But this enables it to show with the shortcode you put on the page. It brings it up, okay? And then what is this? The WordPress Smosh. This plugin reduces image file sizes, improve performances, okay, and boosts your SEO rankings. Remember, when the images you have put on your website, remember it's very big file. So with this Smosh, it really resizes or reduces the image in such a way the speed of your website will be fast. Okay, now let's go to this WordPress as an example to show you how to install all these things, okay? If you don't know, this is my website here. This is the back end of my website, okay? So for you to install a WordPress plugin, you kindly go to your dashboard, okay? Then you will see plugins. Either you say add new or you click on it, you will still see it there, okay? So here you say add new. You search for the plugin you want to install. And again, if you have got a premium one or you've got a file, you upload it here. You click upload and add the file, okay? So now we are searching for the free WordPress plugin we want to install. Remember, all the plugins I'm using here, they're all free plugins. But if you want more functionality, or maybe you want more features, I advise you to get the premium one. You pay a little, you get everything you want on this. But for what I'm showing, for the sake of this course, we are using free plugins for this. Okay, you come here as search all in one SEO. Okay, it will come up here. So this is the plugin we're gonna be installing. You can see downloaded over 45 million times since 2007. Okay, and 1 million active installations. Okay, more than that. Okay, so this is the plugin. This is where our magic will be happening. This is what we'll be doing. Remember, Yoast is also another SEO plugin. This and this, these are competitors. Okay, they all, some people prefer this and some people prefer this. This is the one I prefer, and this is the one I use. It gives me everything I need. It's simple for me. So what I'm advising you, anyone you want to use, but for the sake of this training, this is the one we're gonna be using. I've already installed this. That is why it is active. If you have not installed this, it will say install now. Okay, and you activate. Now, for the sake of this training, I'm going to install this, but I'm not going to activate it. Okay, so let me say install. You click install. And then you activate. Okay, so this is the way to do that. This is the way to install. So the same thing, the same way applicable to the 3 other ones, the same way applicable to WS map. This, okay, so for this is market tabard is what we need for this plugin. Okay, so if I activate this, it will come up. When you install this and activate it, it will come up here. Okay, on your left hand side of your WordPress. This is where it will come up. Okay, so let me also show you for this WP Smosh. Okay, WP Smosh. Okay, so the WP Smosh, as you can see here, more than 1 million active installations, and by WP MEU Dev. Okay, so it compresses and optimizes image files, improve performance, and boost your SEO ranking. Okay, so this is the one, because it is active, that is why I've already installed it. Okay, so when you install it as well, it should come up here. Okay, it should come up here, Smosh. Okay, so the same thing applicable to WP sitemap. Okay, let's install this one up as well. WP sitemap page. Okay, so this is the WordPress sitemap page. Okay, so this is the one we'll be installing. So as I have said, this is the shortcode. You can copy it's already active, as I've said as well. This one is already, I've already installed it. So you can copy this shortcode and add it to any page of your website. Okay, but for you to do this, you need to create a page on your website. You installing. So let me go and show you, for start from all-in-one SEO. Okay, so I have installed it, and this is what it is all about here. Remember, we are going to work on this individually as we proceed. This one is for the installation first. Okay, so let me look out for WP Mosh. Okay, if it doesn't come here, you say plugins. Okay, When you go to plugins, you can see it here, WP Mosh. This is WP Mosh, okay? You go here, view details. You can see view details here to see what it's all about, okay? But now you come here, say settings, okay? So now this is where what you need to do is you come here, you check images. It will check image because I don't have anyone here to check. I've already checked 479 images much, okay? And here I have set it automatically to smush all my images I upload. It automatically smushes, so that's why I can't show you how it's working. But if you click check images or whatever, you know what I mean, it will just start smushing or start resizing your images so that the appearance will be small, and it reduces your file images, okay? And reducing your file image, which means your website will be fast. The speed of your website will be fast, okay? So the next one is the one for WP sitemap page. Let me show you again here. Let me see where it is here, please. So this is it here, okay? So remember here, why all these are free? You can donate to them. You can donate to them for the job they're doing for you, because they make it free for you. So you can easily donate, you know, as a thank you. Okay, but now when you copy this short code here, okay, you can view details here. You can go to settings as well. It shows you everything. So when you copy this stuff here, when you want to create a page, okay, on your website, you can say create new, okay? For your website, you can create new, add new. When you add new here on your page, let me show you what I mean. When you add a new page, you can say sitemap. You do what? You paste the short code here. Okay? Sorry, I didn't copy it well, but you paste it here. Let me show you what I mean. WP sitemap, okay? Dash page. I didn't copy it well, but this is what it's all about, okay? You copy it the way it is there, okay? So if that one is not copying, let me show you. When you finish, you publish, okay? So you publish. But let me show you again how you can copy. You can copy the short code well. But this is the way. Create a page, paste the short code on your page. So this is this one, okay? Let's view details here and see how we can copy it. Let's see if you can see it here. That's it here, okay? You copy everything here. Copy everything here. Sorry. So it's very, very simple. This is the way to install plugins for our website. So if you have questions, you can ask, but otherwise we will proceed to the next lecture.